Hi guys, welcome to Feifei's Chinese self-study room. Here we are learning phase 8 of preschool class topic 2, strokes and calligraphy. In this lesson, we will focus on the second part of Go hawk stroke, a more complex set of combined hawk strokes that integrate turns, curves, and hawks. The second part of the hawk stroke includes 7 typical types. 横斜钩 horizontal slanting hawk stroke, 横折弯钩 horizontal turn curve hawk stroke, 横折钩 horizontal turn hawk stroke, 横折钩直 horizontal turn hawk stroke straight type, 横撇弯钩 horizontal left falling curve hawk stroke, 竖折折钩 vertical turn double turn hawk stroke, 横折折折钩 horizontal triple turn hawk stroke. Each type combines multiple basic movements, so pay close attention to the sequence and strings of the brush. 横斜钩 horizontal slanting hawk stroke. This stroke features a horizontal start, a slanting middle segment, and an upward hawk at the end. When writing, first draw a short horizontal stroke to the right, then smoothly tilt the brush diagonally down and to the right, forming a gentle slant. Pause firmly at the lowest point and flick the brush sharply up to form the hawk. The slant should be moderate, not too steep or flat, to keep the character balanced. Example character: 飞 飞 meaning fly, soar. 横折弯钩 horizontal turn curve hawk stroke. This is a multi-segment stroke. Horizontal, turn down, curve right, upward hawk. When writing, start with a horizontal stroke to the right. Pause to turn straight down or to the left falling down. Then smoothly curve the brush to the right, forming a rounded arc. Pause at the end of the curve and flick up to make the hawk. The curve should be natural and the hawk should be sharp. Example characters: 乙 meaning secondly, or the second of the 10 heavenly themes in traditional Chinese culture. Let's explore its cultural background. In ancient China, the 10 heavenly themes, 10天干, and 12 earthly branches, 12地支, were combined to form a 60-year cycle for recording years, months, days, and hours. The 10 heavenly themes are 甲、乙、丙、丁、戊、己、庚、辛、壬、癸, and 乙 ranks second. 乙 is also used as a standalone Chinese stroke name. 九 meaning 9. 亿 meaning 100 million. This is a large number character, widely used in modern society for counting. 横折钩 horizontal turn hawk stroke. This is a classic combined stroke, horizontal, turn down, vertical, upward hawk. When writing, draw a horizontal stroke to the right, pause to turn straight down, vertical segment. Keep the vertical part straight. Pause at the bottom, and flick up to the left to form the hawk. The turn is angular, close to 90 degrees, and the vertical segment should be sturdy. Example characters: 母 meaning mother, female. 万 or 末, a polyphonic character, meaning 1. 10,000. 莫 a surname. A rare pronunciation used in the compound surname. 莫奇。横折钩直 horizontal turn hawk stroke street type. This is a variant of horizontal turn hawk stroke with a straight vertical segment and a sharp short hawk. Unlike regular horizontal turn hawks that may have a slight curve, this type emphasizes a completely straight vertical part and a concise hawk. When writing, focus on keeping the vertical segment upright and the hawk quick and sharp. Example character 雨 meaning feather, plume. 横撇弯钩 horizontal left fallen curve hawk stroke. This is a multi-step stroke. Horizontal left falling curve right upward hawk. When writing, first draw a short horizontal stroke. Pause to turn down and left, short left falling stroke. Then smoothly curve the brush to the right, forming a small arc. Pause at the end of the curve and flick up to make the hawk. The key is to connect each segment smoothly without lifting the brush excessively. Example character 阳 meaning sun, positive. The left part of yang is a radical called 左耳刀旁 in Chinese, meaning left ear radical. And the horizontal left falling curve hawk stroke is the core stroke of this radical. Radicals are basic components that help categorize Chinese characters and hint at their meanings. Many characters with 左耳刀旁 are relative to places, directions, or natural phenomenon. We will have a special topic to learn about radicals in details in the future. 竖折折钩 vertical turn double turn hawk stroke. This stroke involves two turns, vertical, turn right, horizontal, turn down, vertical, upward hawk. When writing, start with a vertical stroke downward. Pause to turn right, short horizontal segment. Pause again to turn down, another vertical segment. Then pause at the bottom and flick up to the left to form the hawk. The two turns should be neat and the segments well proportioned. Example character 雨 or 玉 or 鱼 meaning 与 and with 玉 participate 鱼 a surname 横折折折钩 horizontal triple turn hawk stroke. As the name suggests, this stroke has three turns: horizontal, turn down, turn left, turn down, upward hawk. When writing, draw a horizontal stroke to the right, pause to the turn down first turn, pause again to turn left second turn, pause a third time to turn down, short vertical segment, then flick up to form the hawk. The rhythm is pause, turn, pause, hawk. Keep the movements crisp and not tangled. Example character 奶 奶 Meaning be, just, then. Homework. Write each example character. 非以九一母万与羊与奶 20 times carefully, following the writing rules of each hawk stroke we learned today. Pay attention to the sequence of turns and curves, the firmness of pauses, and the sharpness of hawks. Also, review the cultural background of 以 and the pronunciation variations of polyphonic characters like 万 and 与